everyone, today we'll talk about three-dimensional shapes. Look, I have many toys here. All of these are called three-dimensional shapes. Why? Because they have three dimensions. What are they? They have length, they have width, and height. How are 3D shapes different from 2D shapes? Let's check it out. Look, I have a cube here, and you know what? It consists of some squares, which are 2D shapes. Look, so actually it comes from this. It was square before, but when we join the 6 squares together, we have a cube like this, and we can also put things inside. So we call that three-dimensional shapes, the same as others. Now, what features? Dimensional shapes have 3 features. The first one is face. Face means surface. So these are the faces of cube. Okay. Surfaces. And the second feature is edge. Okay, look like this cube, it has some edges or lines. And the last one, or the third one, is corners or vertices. I guess you have known about this because you learned about 2D shapes before. Where 2 straight lines meet, they make a corner or a vertex. Now let's see some examples of three-dimensional shapes. Let's start from this cube. How many faces does it have? Okay, look, we'll count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many edges does cube have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right down. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It means cube has 12 edges. How about cuboid? Let's take a look at this. Cuboid has the same feature as this, except for the length. Okay, it's just longer. The length is longer, but the others are the same, like this. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 faces. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners, and there are 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are down, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The next one is triangular prism. Look, it has 1 face at up, and another one is at down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. It has 5 faces. And then, because it is made of triangles, it has 3 corners at up, 3 corners at down, in total 6 corners or vertices. And let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 edges. Okay, that is triangular prism. Now let's take a look at this. What is this? We call this triangular pyramid. Like a pyramid. How many faces does it have, everyone? Please count with me. 1, 2, 3 triangles, right? It has 3 faces and 1 at down, in total 4 faces. And then how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4 at up. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. The next one is cylinder. look, it has curved lines. It means 1, 2 edges, and then 1 curved surface. And how many faces? It has 1, 2 faces. That's cylinder. Now let's see the last one. We call this sphere. Sphere doesn't have any vertices, doesn't have any corners or edges, but it has 1 curved surface. Well, that's all about three-dimensional shapes. In conclusion, let's take a look at this table. Well, that's all about three-dimensional shapes. I hope that you will find it easy to work on the exercises you have in your book. That's all. See you!